So let's say you found what you were looking for at the Chrome Web Store, but you also realized that there is plenty of other stuff there that you didn't get a chance to look at, and you might come back later and see if any of that is worthwhile as well. To help you with that, you can bookmark the Chrome Web Store URL, click on the little star, click on Add Bookmark, and I'm just going to put it on the Bookmarks bar for the rest of this video because I'm going to show you how to manage your bookmarks. So I'm just going to put it on the Bookmarks bar for now. Click Done, and notice I now have a little tab up here for Chrome Web Store, so if I ever need to come back here, I don't have to remember the URL, I can just click on the little button. But that's not what this video is for. If I go to this little snowman menu up in Chrome, and about a third of the way down I find Bookmarks. I want to go to the Bookmark Manager. All right, so notice I have my folder for instructional technology coaching, and I have this standalone bookmark for the Chrome Web Store. Now, the Chrome Web Store is something that I might not go to often, but I don't want to have to remember the URL when I want to go back there. So what I might consider doing is creating a new folder, and I'm going to name this Quick Access. Right, so these would be websites that I'm going to group together. They might not be related in any specific way other than sites I'm going to use a lot, and I don't want to have to remember what their URL is. All right, so now that I've done that, I can move the Chrome Web Store into the Quick Access folder. All right, and now notice I have a folder up in my Bookmarks bar that says Quick Access. Now, as you create more and more bookmarks, if you want them on the Bookmarks bar, you're going to run out of space really quickly. So here's a tip that will help you fit more of these folders in your bookmark bar. The number of folders that will display in the bookmark bar isn't really about the number of folders, it's how much space it takes to display the folder's name. So the shorter the folder name, the less space it takes up, the more folders you'll be able to fit. So one of the things you can do here is make folders with short names. All right, so instead of instructional technology coaching, I can just use the abbreviation ITC, and instead of Quick Access, I can just make that quick. And now those two folders take up a lot less room, and I'll be able to add more folders to the top of Chrome. And that is how you can manage your bookmarks in Chrome.